Hello everyone, I am Muskan studying second year BSc in DBS College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Shimoga. Let us have a discussion about our topic, alcohols. Alcohols are the class of organic compound contain hydroxyl group or OH functional group attached to a saturated carbon atom. OH is a functional group which is directly attached to a saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom means single bonded carbon atom. Here in this alcohol, OH functional group is directly attached to a saturated carbon atom. Here are the some of the example. CH3OH is called methanol. CH3CH2OH is called ethanol. CH3CH2CH2OH is called propane 1-ol. CH3CH2CH2CH2OH is called butane 1-ol. Hydroxyl group attached carbon atom must and should be saturated carbon atom. What happens if hydroxyl group attached carbon atom is unsaturated? If hydroxyl group attached to a vinyl carbon atom or unsaturated carbon atom, it undergoes ketoenol tautomerization at room temperature to produce corresponding aldehydes. To produce corresponding aldehydes, if ethanol or vinyl alcohol easily undergoes tautomerization at normal condition to produce corresponding aldehydes. Here OH is the functional group which is directly attached to a double bonded carbon atom In this case, hydrogen and oxygen bond cleavages occur to produce oxygen carbon double bond. Next, carbon carbon double bond is going to accept an proton from hydroxyl group at room temperature to produce acetaldehyde or keto form. Here enol is less stable. It easily undergoes ketoenol tautomerization to produce keto product or acetaldehyde. Here keto product is formed. It is always present in a ketone form. Therefore, hydroxyl group attached carbon atom is must and should be saturated carbon atom. Next one is classification of alcohols. Alcohols are classified on the basis of number of hydroxyl group present on the molecule. Classification of alcohol is based on the number of hydroxyl group or functional group OH which is present on the molecule. It can be classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols and polyhydric alcohols. First one is monohydric alcohols. Alcohols containing one hydroxyl group or OH functional group in an organic molecules. Here only one hydroxyl group is present in a organic molecule, then it is called as monohydric alcohols. For example, ethanol. In dihydric alcohols, those alcohols contain two hydroxyl group in an organic molecule. Here, two hydroxyl group is present, so it is called as dihydric alcohols. For example, 1,2 ethane diol. Next one is trihydric alcohols. Alcohols containing 3 hydroxyl group or OH functional group in an organic molecule is known as trihydric alcohols. For example, 1,2,3 propane triol. And the last one is polyhydric alcohols. In these alcohols contain 4 or more number of hydroxyl group in organic molecule. Here 4 or many number of hydroxyl group is attached to a saturated carbon atom. For example, glucose, fructose and mannose. Now I will explain about monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are those aliphatic compounds which have one hydroxyl group bonded to a saturated carbon atom. In monohydric alcohols, there is only one hydroxyl group which is bonded to a saturated carbon atom. Monohydric alcohols are represented by the formula ROH, where R is a stand for an alkyl group. Next is classification of monohydric alcohols. Depending on the number of alkyl group R which are directly attached to the carbon that is bonded with the hydroxyl group or OH functional group. Classification of monohydric alcohol is mainly based on the number of alkyl group. It is based on the number of alkyl group which is directly attached to the carbon that is bonded with the hydroxyl group. Monohydric alcohols can be classified into three types. First one is primary alcohol, second one is secondary alcohol, third one is tertiary alcohols. First one is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means only one alkyl group is directly attached to a hydroxyl group attached to carbon atom. Here carbon atom is attached to a only one alkyl group. Next one is secondary alcohols. Two alkyl group is directly attached to a hydroxyl group attached to carbon atom. Here carbon is bonded to a two alkyl group. Therefore it is called secondary alcohols. Next one is tertiary alcohol. Here three alkyl group is attached to a carbon atom which is bonded with the hydroxyl group R, R dash and R double dash. So it is called tertiary alcohol.